Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 6a. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. At the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your Transit Pass, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, you can select Loyalty, and now simply select loyalty card you would like to add. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually, then simply tap Add to Wallet. And the last card you can add is gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.